Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make steamed taro dumplings. In a bowl, combine the taro, water chestnuts, ginger, green onion, Chinese parsley, 1 tablespoon shoyu, stir-fry sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and cornstarch. Mix well until evenly combined. Moisten the edges of the wonton or gyoza wrappers with water. Place a spoonful of filling in the center of each wrapper, then fold up around the filling, leaving the top open and flatten the bottom. Arrange the dumplings in a steamer basket lined with carrot slices or tea leaf to prevent sticking. Place the steamer basket over a pot of simmering water, making sure the water does not touch the basket. Cover and steam for 15 to 20 minutes or until the wrappers appear translucent and shiny, following package instructions as needed. To make the dipping sauce, combine the remaining 4 tablespoons shoyu, rice vinegar, and remaining 2 teaspoons sesame oil, and sambal chili paste. Mix well and serve alongside the dumplings. Serve topped with chopped green onions and a side of dipping sauce. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.